So we're back again with a brand new update. Viewers and subscribers, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K ENT. In this update, we have Silk Boss and Squash the 6 Boss. Yeah man, we have Vagas a call out Silk Boss and Vagas a talk a bag of things. Such a man, big up on yourself like always. Remember, leave a subscribe if you're not new. And also leave a like. Make we jump right into it.
I shoot out like Brown Man. 6 body feed the total.
Brown Man, the man with Silk Boss, make song a big up. If the man with him, Brown Man, unalive. If the man with the your family, what do I feel? If you know say your family out there hustle, and according to the information, a man go for buy egg from him. And because he not sell the man the egg at the price where the man want to buy it for, or the man money short, him unalive your family. What do you feel, man? But just know say Jamaican people love criminals and love evil. Because there's no way me could have sing one song and big up the man we unalive the man we are selling egg. Me da more do a song for the hustlers them, you know, and I say it rough for the hustlers them, you know. You touch the road and not even know if you can reach back home. And that me da make a song about, you know. Me not understand no Silk Boss. And maybe enough artists taste too. Or a man feel like say, the best thing to do is make a song. Or people are going to gravitate towards it. If we make a song and big up the man, we unalive the man, we are hustle. If we make ends meet, you have to take care of the youth then, you have to take care of the family. A Brown Man, we unalive him because I must say $200. Him gun with my boss value way more than that. The gun with him did a boss. Plus the police them say them find over 400 rounds of ammunition and one other gun. So the man will analyze the man will sell the egg. He couldn't sell one of them gun there and somebody ammunition or down by one of them gun there and the ammunition, or carry one of them gun there and the ammunition and go to the station and get a reward. So you can buy any amount of egg you want buy.
Silk Boss, I forgot think twice before him released a song there. Yeah man, the entertainer I get beaten from left to right about it. Yeah man, he come like say the entertainer a praise what Brown Man do. But you know, you don't know so you can't praise things like them because more people could have lose them life. You don't know say 3 people drop out just because of Brown Man. But we have to say big up to the JDF, big up to the JCF and big up to the SWAT team. Yeah man, if I name for them, well, more people could have lose them life. You see me? Yeah man, we have to big them up. But viewers and subscribers, leave on a take in the comments. Silk Boss have got to think twice before him drop the song there. But the thing is, viewers and subscribers, you see Jamaican people, them love the book already, you know. So who knows, him go to get a hit song after it.
Me and the man, me have to take care of family. Been a grind real hard for me done mommy.
Alright, so we get an article about Squash the 6 Boss. I'm going to read it too, and making you hear what's going on for the entertainer. Dancehall artist Squash will face sentencing on November 24 in a U.S. federal court after pleading guilty to a firearm charge. The entertainer, whose real name is Andre Maurice Whitaker, admitted to be an illegal alien in possession of a gun. The case stems from a February traffic stop where 2 Glock pistols were seized. Authorities had been monitoring Squash, suspecting him of ties to a transnational gang. In exchange for his guilty plea, prosecutors offered the possibility of a reduced sentence under federal guidelines. According to court documents, Squash now faces between 24 and 63 months behind bars, though sentencing remains at the judge's discretion. While prosecutors are pushing for less than 5 years, the maximum penalty could reach 15 years in prison. followed by 3 years of supervised release. He may also face deportation once his sentence is served. So the prosecutors them a push for Squash to get less than 5 years, but the maximum penalty could reach 15. You know? Them also may deport Squash back to Jamaica. Yeah man, send him back down to Jamaica. And you know Squash, it go really hard for Squash to go back US. From them deport him, yeah, it go hard for him go back up in the US. So it don't look good for Squash side right now. As I said, the prosecutors them will look for like less than 5 years, which to be honest, I kinda highly doubt them are gonna make Squash get 5 years because them been a monitor Squash and now them finally get something to stick on him. You know? So I doubt them are gonna give him 5 years. We have to just wait and see. Still anything can happen. You know? But yeah. So viewers and subscribers, when you reach the end of the video, remember, leave a subscribe and big up yourself like always. And to those who are new, remember, leave a subscribe and welcome to the 4K family.